Let's compare two of the most user-friendly Linux distributions, Pop_OS and Linux Mint. While both are excellent choices for the desktop, they are designed with different priorities in mind. This video will break down their core features, strengths, and ideal use cases to help you select the best fit for your needs. First, Pop_OS, the performance and productivity powerhouse. Developed by System76, Pop_OS is an Ubuntu-based distribution engineered for performance, modern hardware, and efficient workflows. It is particularly well-suited for desktops and laptops, with standout support for NVIDIA graphics. Pop_OS features a customized, streamlined version of the GNOME desktop called Cosmic. Its signature features include automatic window tiling and advanced workspace management, which are designed to maximize productivity and screen real estate for heavy multitasking. It excels for developers, content creators, and gamers, as it handles proprietary graphics drivers seamlessly during installation and offers robust out-of-the-box tooling. Key advantage: a polished workflow-optimized environment with excellent hardware support, especially for modern PCs and NVIDIA GPUs consideration. The Tiling Window Manager and Cosmic interface represent a distinct workflow that may require an adjustment period for users accustomed to traditional desktop layouts. Second, Linux Mint, the stable and familiar classic. Linux Mint is an Ubuntu-based distribution famous for its simplicity, stability, and out-of-the-box completeness. It runs smoothly on a wide range of hardware, from older machines to modern systems. Linux Mint offers a choice of desktop environments, with Cinnamon being the most popular due to its traditional, intuitive layout that feels immediately familiar to users migrating from Windows. It comes pre-installed with a full suite of essential tools, including multimedia codecs, a robust update manager, and system utilities, requiring minimal configuration to start working. Key advantage: exceptional ease of use, long-term reliability, and a gentle learning curve. It's a complete, it-just-works system from the first boot. Consideration: it follows a conservative update philosophy, prioritizing stability over having the absolute latest software versions. It may lack some of the cutting-edge workflow features found in more specialized distributions. Direct comparison and final recommendation: choose Pop_OS. If you want a modern, performance-optimized system for development, gaming, or creative work, it's the superior choice if you value an efficient, keyboard-driven workflow, have modern hardware especially with an NVIDIA GPU, and are comfortable adapting to a unique interface for greater productivity. Choose Linux Mint if you want a stable, intuitive, and hassle-free desktop for daily computing. It's the definitive choice for beginners, users transitioning from Windows, or anyone who prioritizes long-term stability, a familiar layout, and a system that requires minimal tinkering. In summary, your choice reflects your primary goal: advanced workflow optimization and hardware support. Pop_OS versus guaranteed stability and effortless usability. Linux Mint. Thank you for watching. Which distribution aligns with your computing style? Let us know your pick and reasoning in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more clear and practical tech guides.